Hello everyone. Welcome back to Maker Mike. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to restore this headlight. After years of use, it has turned yellow and cloudy. You don't need expensive tools or professional equipment. Just about 8 minutes and this method. Watch until the end, and don't miss it. Let's start by preparing a simple cleaning mixture. Take a small glass bowl and add some baking soda. Then add a small amount of toothpaste. Use a stick or a spoon and mix everything together until it becomes a smooth paste. This combination helps break down dirt and oxidation on the surface. Now, to improve the cleaning effect, add some white vinegar into the mixture. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is a natural cleaning agent. As you mix it in, you may notice a slight reaction. That's normal. Stir everything until the mixture is fully combined. Next, apply the mixture evenly onto the surface of the headlight. Make sure you cover the entire area, especially the parts that look the most yellow or cloudy. Once the surface is coated, take a dry cloth and place it over the headlight. Then spray some water onto the cloth to keep it slightly damp. This step helps the mixture stay active on the surface for a longer time. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. During this time, the solution will begin to soften the oxidized layer on the plastic. After waiting, remove the cloth and rinse the headlight lightly with water. Now it's time to start sanding. Take a piece of 1000 grit sandpaper, wet it with water, then begin sanding the surface gently. Move your hand in a consistent motion and cover the entire headlight. At this stage, the goal is to remove the outer layer that has been damaged by sunlight and weather. You will notice the surface becoming slightly dull and hazy. That's expected. It means you are removing the oxidized layer. Continue sanding until the surface feels even. Then, rinse the headlight with water and take a look. Compared to before, the yellow discoloration should already be reduced. Now move on to the next step. Take 1500 grit sandpaper. Again, wet it before use. Start sanding the surface in the same way as before. This step helps refine the scratches left by the previous sandpaper. Keep your movement steady and avoid applying too much pressure. Let the sandpaper do the work. As you continue, the surface will begin to look smoother. Once you're done, rinse the headlight again. At this stage, you should see a noticeable improvement. The surface is more even and the cloudiness is reduced. Now for the final sanding stage. Apply the mixture onto the headlight again. If you have a better idea or a different way to do this, write it down in the comments so the whole community can see it. Then take 2000 grit sandpaper. This is a finer grit, so it helps smooth out the surface even more. Sand gently and evenly. This step is important because it prepares the surface for polishing. After sanding, rinse the headlight thoroughly. Now, the surface should look much more uniform, even though it may still appear slightly dull. Next, apply a small amount of toothpaste directly onto the headlight. Spread it evenly using your fingers or a cloth. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. This acts as a light polishing step. It helps reduce fine scratches and prepares the surface for the final stage. While waiting, I'm going to prepare a simple setup that will create a polishing effect using heat. Take some 90% alcohol and pour it into an empty soda can. Then cover the top of the can with aluminum tape to seal it. Insert a small straw into the opening and make sure everything is sealed tightly. This setup will allow the alcohol vapor to flow through the straw when heated. Now go back to the headlight. Use a cloth to wipe off the toothpaste completely. The surface should now be clean and ready. This simple method combines cleaning, sanding, and heat treatment to restore the plastic surface effectively. Next, light a candle and place it under the bottom of the soda can. As the alcohol heats up, vapor will begin to form inside the can. Gently direct the vapor through the straw toward the surface of the headlight. Move slowly and keep a safe distance. As the vapor passes over the plastic, you will start to see something interesting. The surface begins to clear up almost immediately. This happens because the heat helps soften the outer layer of the plastic slightly, allowing it to reflow and become smooth again. Now, take a step back and look at the result. The yellow, cloudy surface is gone. The headlight is much clearer, and it looks almost like new again. You didn't need expensive tools. You didn't need professional equipment. Just a few common materials and a bit of patience. And just like that, you've restored your headlight. If you found this method useful, don't forget to give this video a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.